thing about this mountain behind me is it's the 8th most photographed mountain in the world. Apparently it's what Milford Sound is known for. It's renowned. This is what Milford Sound is. I just think it's absolutely stunning the way that the light shines off rocks at different times in the morning. I mean, I woke up, I got a good little early start, and just the way that the sun was just bouncing off certain parts of these rocks just made it look so jagged or so clean or so straight. And now as we're going past this one, the sun's directly on it. And you're just getting it all for what it is. This other mountain I'm about to show you right here is apparently the steepest vertical drop mountain in the whole world. Stunning. There's some seals. Hey! Arr, 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 arr. Go Olivia, make the sound, you're really good at it. Yeah boy. Captain Jace Haggerty out here catching us some lunch. Oh yeah, I can see that one. I saw that one. Good pull. Good pull by Jason Haggerty.
Bye.
Hey. Did you see the rock getting pulled?
Oi!
Some tips. Woohoo!
Yes, sir.
Yay! It's my first fish, and it's a blue cod.
Let's go.
It's so cool.
So we just had a mean ass lunch. We had steak, fresh caught blue cod, I think it was. Man, I'm not really much fish guy, but it was amazing. Had it with some chipotle sauce. I love chipotle sauce. We're about to head over here to those caves in a second. Jason's gonna bring down the thingy. We're gonna have a little go, but I mean, talk about lunch with the view, baby. Sheesh. Two pieces of our fucking oars are gone. Oh no. Oh, no one liked the oh no joke? Oh no. Oh. Fuck you, sir. It's not funny the second time I have to say it. Epic. Oh, there's a mini waterfall. Just trickling down. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Dinghied all the way from that boat. Is this all fallen? It's like pizza slices. Oh.